Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum Assalam. How can I help you?
Oh, actually, I'm looking for some things like threads and etc.
Oh, I see. Threads. Here are some nice
Okay.
threads. I think you must
I need
like this.
some
What
specific
what
color.
colors of threads do you like most?
I like one piece of pink, blue, and green.
Pink, blue,
And
and
green,
green.
yes.
Pink,
Blue is
blue,
that's blue,
blue, and green.
and this is
And this
green.
is green. Okay.
Okay. And
Oh, how many pieces do you need?
only three pieces.
Only three pieces. Okay. Here are three pieces of threads. Do you need any more?
Yes. Now I need some zippers.
Some zippers. How many zippers do you need?
Only three pieces.
What color of zippers do you want to see?
Pink, violet, and black.
Pink, violet, and black.
Okay.
Here are pink,
Violet.
violet,
This is violet.
violet, and black.
A black one.
And black. How many pieces of zipper do you need?
Only three pieces.
Only three pieces. Okay, here are three pieces of zippers. Do you need any more?
Yes, I need button.
Button. Button. What color of button do you like?
Oh, this is like me.
Okay. Will this to you?
Yes,
How many dozens do you need?
one dozen.
One dozen. Here are one dozen's button.
Okay.
You can take
Now
this.
you can give me lace.
Less,
Yes,
less, less, less.
lace. The red one. I need
Red
the red
one.
one.
Oh, oh.
And 2
That
yards.
means you need red
Yes.
colors less.
Yes.
How much amount of less do you need?
2 yards.
2 years. Okay. Here are 2 years
Okay.
less. Do you need any more?
No, that's all for today.
Oh, okay. And this is cost 20.
And this.
This is 10. And this is 30. 20, 10, 30, 32, and 30 and 30. 60. 60 and 20. 80.
80.
In totally, means your costing is only 80 taka.
Okay. Can you reduce something for me because it is out
Actually,
of my
reducing is very tough, but only for you. I will reduce only 5 taka, okay? You
Only
can pay
5.
75 taka.
Only 5. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Take your all products. And
Okay. That's
this
it.
is your product.
And this is your money.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
You must come
Okay,
again.
I'll come again.